The very first thing we will do is select the sewing pattern that we will be using, and that will be opening up in Adobe PDF Viewer. Then we want to print out a test page, and this test page is on page 2. So go ahead and print. The print screen dialog box comes up. So see there, page 2, actual size, select actual size and select page 2, because for this PDF pattern, the test page is on page 2. Go ahead and print that out. Once that's printed, we just want to see if the measurements are accurate. It says 4 by 4 inches, and that's what it should measure on your ruler. Once that's done, we are ready to print out the full pattern. This pattern has what we call layers, which allows you to print the size that you will be working with. So I clicked, as you saw, the tab on the left showing like papers, and the sizes came out. So go ahead and unselect all the sizes you are not working with and leave the size that you are working with selected. Now, if you notice, every time I unselect a size, the markings disappear. So that's what we want. We don't want confusion picking out sizes. So we will just have the size that we will be working with. So we are ready to print. Go ahead and print. Make sure you have it on actual size. Go ahead and click print. You also want to know how to assemble your pattern. And so printing out the tiled picture of what your pattern pieces and where they should go, that is very helpful as well. Once we have printed out everything that is necessary, we can go ahead and tape or glue our pieces together. I am using glue, a glue stick, but you are free to use tape. All right, so I'm just showing you how these pieces are going to be assembled, and we are matching the dots or the square. It's supposed to form a little square, and I'm just adding a bit of glue and then making sure that I'm matching up my dots to form a little square. Different PDF patterns have different markings, and so just be aware of that. It's not going to be one size fits all for all sewing patterns. So I am just doing that, following along with each pattern piece. Go ahead and finish taping all your pieces. At the end of it, what you actually have should match what your tiled picture looks like. And that concludes how you print and assemble a PDF pattern.